What we have here is a pair of double offenders. So we had no heat on the second floor, which is this one. We're considered a ground floor here in the basement. We don't have basements in California. If you're watching somewhere else, we have garages. So at the garage ground floor level, they have their own heaters, but this is for the rest of the house, second floor and third floor. This one here, built in San Francisco. Let's see if I could read that. That is air conditioning furnace. Fraser and Johnson Corporation, San Francisco, California. This is a 16th or 1/6 horsepower motor. And looking at the inspection sticker when this was put in, 1962, 3/16 of 1962 in San Francisco. Still running. In San Francisco, we still have a lot of furnaces, believe it or not, that are from the 40s, 50s, 60s. This was a original gravity in furnace in this installation. The old original gravity used to come through that plate right there on the floor, and that was the original, and this was updated in the 60s. This is actually a new furnace for this house. Here's a newer one. Somebody with their home cabinetry construction here, using wood to make their intake right here with their beautiful filter that was looks more like a contravirus petri dish here. Same goes for this one. This one had a little mouse installation. He made a little hole right here so he could get in and out of his home, and apparently the mouse is somewhere in there. I see evidence he was in here. There was a little nest in this one, a little mouse nest, so somebody was comfortable making a home right here. And even though this one says it's an 80 efficiency there model, by looking at how crunched the ducting is over here, smashed here, smashed over there, and I think it's smashed in the back. With the restricted ducting, we're lucky if we probably have a 50% efficiency, and it only has 2 small ducts going out, actually 3 small ducts going out. Yeah, but we're lucky with this phone's 30% efficient. And when I got here, the motor was just freewheeling on 24/7, and it was going off and on and cutting out high heat. So it'd come on and then cut back out. And I gotta do an inspection on the furnace inside, get my borescope, send it up, look inside. It looks like I could use a little vacuum cleaning on the burners themselves. If you look back in there, in the center, we could focus, come on. It doesn't look like it wants to focus. It's dirty back in the center of the burners where rust has been falling down and just landing on the surface of the burners inside there. It's clean up front but dirty in the back. So I'll get my long extension wand and clean off the burners inside there. Typical for an old San Francisco setup like this. And I'll see you on the next video of this, on the part 2, after replacing the filters, replacing the fan. Beautiful fan belt here. And get them back up and running, and inspecting the furnace coil inside there, see if the heat exchanger has any cracks. This would be a good candidate. I'm ordering a new, I'm still up debates whether I'm going to get the new Testo flue analyzer.